going on, everybody? Jeremy here at Juicebox Hobbies. And lately, the shop and a bunch of people have been getting into the drifting right here at the shop. Our good buddy, RC Jesus, Remote Control Hobbies of Orlando, Nick Barber, wanted me to drift something better. So he sent me the MST RMX 2.5 RTR. Now, this is a way better drifter, more of a advanced style, but still kind of a beginner. So I'm a complete beginner. We all are here at the shop. We're having fun just sliding around, but this is going to give me a better idea of really digging into drifting. Big thanks to Nick and RC Jesus and Remote Control Hobbies of Orlando. This paid for this video, basically. So I guess I'm a sponsored drifter now. It's been rough. It's been a rough 2 weeks. But I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Whatever. Let's open this up. I think you knew what was going to happen. This is everything out of the box. I struggled a little bit. You got some nice decals for the body. A basically tuning fork for the gyro, so you can get it to the way you like. Tools and body posts. I really like this. The foam front bumper. The tires do come off, so you gotta put them on. That is super scale though. Look at that little disc brakes. That is awesome looking. That is so cool. All right, I'm digging it. Here's some instructions on where to put your body posts and all that jazz, and some more decals. The instruction manual that Nick's always telling me to read. I probably will read this because it's not a crawler. I'm not used to it. I need to learn it. This, well, back in the day, you used to have to run a big O antenna, and we don't have to do that anymore. So that'll go into the scrap bin of like crafts. Maybe it could be a hose or something. And here you've got your side mirrors, and then your light buckets for the inside. The remote is kind of your basic, just cheapy RTR, but it does tell you how to kind of, adjust your limit and your gain and everything on your gyro right out there. So do not lose that if you don't know what you're doing, like me. It's so nice and springy. This thing does that. That thing turns on, and then everything spins. Honestly, I really don't know a whole lot. It does come with a 2500 kV brushless motor. I still got to, add the other little pins and stuff so the body sits on right, but I'm ready to hit the track, test it out. Big thanks to Nick, RC Jesus, Remote Control Hobbies, and a good buddy of ours. So, till next time, keep scaling.